Cool.
Look guys, this is look. I give a happy to for my honey today. I bought a new shoes for him. 2 shoes guys, because it's having like we're not always buying shoes for him. His old one is really broken guys, so after our work we go around to the mall and then look at shoes really for him. So now I'm trying to put the lace that fit on his feet, because it's so tight for him. His feet guys is like 12 or 13 size, American size, so it's so big, so it's so hard to find a right size shoes of my honey. So maybe it takes like 2 or 3 hours when we were in the mall.